how to replace the front brake pads and rotors in your 2015 to 2020 Escalade and similar GM vehicles. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. The first thing that I'm going to do is completely remove the lock nut, and after that I'm going to just loosen the rest of the lug nuts. After the lug nuts are loose, I'm going to lift up the truck and support it with a jack stand. After that, I'm going to completely remove the lug nuts and get the wheel out of the way. The next step is to remove the caliper bolts. This one at the top here and one at the bottom right here. And these are 3/4 inch bolts. So I'm going to use my 3/4 inch socket and ratchet to remove those two bolts. So now I'm going to use a pry bar to pry off the caliper. So then I'm going to take the caliper and sit it on top of the upper control arm out of the way. With the caliper out of the way, we can move on to the two caliper bracket bolts. This one right here at the top and the one here at the bottom that needs to come out. These are 18mm bolts, so I'm going to use my 18mm socket and breaker bar to loosen them, and then I'll get my ratchet to take them out the rest of the way. With the two bolts out, we can remove the caliper bracket along with the brake pads. The next step is to remove the rotor, and before we can do that, we need to remove this screw, which is a T30. So I'm going to use my T30 socket to get the screw out, and then we can remove the rotor. So now I'm using some brake parts cleaner to get the rotors cleaned up before I put them on the truck. So now I'm going to remove the brake pads from the bracket, remove the old hardware, and then install the new hardware. Before I get the brake pads back into the bracket and put it back on, the next thing I'm going to do is use one of the old brake pads and a C-clamp to push the pistons back into the caliper. And make sure you line up the hole for the screw. Now I'm going to install the brake pads into the caliper bracket. Get the brake caliper bracket lined up and installed with the two bolts. The torque spec that I have for these bolts is 170 foot-pounds. Now go ahead and reinstall the caliper. The torque spec that I have for the caliper bolts are 74 foot-pounds. Make sure to pump the brakes before driving, and this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.